welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn your flashlight on and off in two different ways on your iPhone. Now if you have Siri activated, you want to say, "Hey Siri, turn on my flashlight." And then to turn the flashlight off with Siri, you want to say, "Hey Siri, turn off my flashlight." If you have the listen to Hey Siri disabled, you can press and hold the power button to bring up Siri, or on older iPhones, you can press and hold the home button. Now the second way to activate your flashlight on your iPhone is to swipe down in the top right hand corner. Now you can turn the flashlight on by tapping the flashlight icon here and then tapping it again to turn it off. Now you can adjust the brightness of your flashlight by holding the flashlight button. You can slide or tap your finger on the vertical bar here and this will brighten or dull your flashlight depending on how you want it. That's two different ways how to turn on or off your flashlight and also to adjust the brightness. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and thanks for watching.